Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfaida and firstly we have design and development process of Paycal. The development of Paycal begins with a simple observation. Many individuals struggle to keep track of their financial commitment due to busy schedules and the increasing number of payments that needs to be managed every month. These commitments may include rent, utility bills, subscription and loan repayment, insurance premium and many other recurring expenses. Most people rely on traditional calendar, reminder application, handwritten notes and memory alone to manage this payment. However, these methods are often scattered across different platforms, making it difficult to obtain a complete overview of upcoming financial obligations. As a result, missed payment, late fees, and unnecessary financial stress can occur. To address this issue, the idea of Paycal was created. The vision was to develop a dedicated financial commitment calendar that combines the functionality of a digital calendar with intelligent payment tracking and reminder features. Unlike our ordinary calendars, Paycal focuses specifically on helping users organize, monitor, and manage their financial commitment in one centralized system. The first stage of development was idea generation. During this stage, the main problem was identified and analyzed. The development team recognized that people need a simpler and more organized way to manage recurring and one-time payment. The concept of financial calendar specifically designed for payment management was then proposed. The second stage was research and planning. Various existing financial management application, reminder system, and calendar platform were studied to understand their strength and weakness. User needs were also analyzed to determine the most important features required in the final product. From this research, several key functions was identified, including payment categorization, recurring payment scheduling, real-time notification, and synchronization between devices. The third stage involved design and prototyping. Initial sketch and wireframes were created to visualize how users would interact with the system. Different interface layouts were explored to ensure that the calendar would remain clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Prototype versions were then developed and evaluated to identify potential improvements before moving to full-scale development. Following the design phase, the project entered the development stage. During this phase, both the Paycal device and the accompanying mobile application were built. Core functionalities such as payment entry, category management, recurring payment schedule, cloud synchronization, and notification system were integrated into the platform. Special attention was given to ensuring smooth communication between the Paycal device and the mobile application. The fifth stage was testing. Extensive testing was conducted to verify the functionality, performance, reliability, and security of system. Different scenarios were tested, including recurring payment schedules, notification delivery, synchronization accuracy, and user interaction with the interface. Feedback gathered during testing helped refine the system and improve the overall user experience. After successful testing, Paycal entered the launch stage. The product was officially introduced as a solution for individuals and families seeking a more efficient way to manage financial commitment. The launch marked the transition from concept to a fully functional product ready for a real-world use. The final stage shown in the development journey is the current design. The current version of Paycal represents the result of continuous improvement and refinement throughout the development process. It combines a dedicated financial calendar device with a connected mobile application, providing users with a centralized platform to monitor commitment, receive reminder, and manage payment more effectively. Overall, the mission of Paycal is to simplify financial management by providing a user-friendly, reliable, and organized system that helps users stay informed about their financial commitments. Through its integrated calendar, customizable categories, recurring payment option, and real-time notification, Paycal aims to reduce missed payment, improve financial awareness, and support better financial planning in everyday life. Today, I would like to explain the problem that inspired the development of our application. So, in today's fast-paced world, many individuals have numerous financial commitments that need to be managed every month. This commitment includes rent payment, car loan, and utility bills, and many others recurring expenses. So, the main challenge is that these payments often have different due dates. As a result, users may find it difficult to keep track of all their financial obligations, and many people still rely on memory, handwritten notes, and basic phone reminders to remember payment deadlines. However, these methods are not always effective. Important payment can easily be forgotten, especially when individuals are very busy with their studies, work, or daily responsibilities. And for instance, a student may forget to pay their hostel fee during exam week because they are so focused on assignment and studying. Likewise, parents who manage house loan and car loan, utility bills and school fees may accidentally miss a payment deadline due to their busy schedules. When payments are missed or delayed, users may face late payment charge, financial penalties, or unnecessary additional expenses. Furthermore, some people continue paying for subscription that they no longer use simply because they forget that those subscriptions are still active. Over time, poor management of financial commitments can lead to financial stress and unhealthy money management habits. Users may struggle to monitor their spending, plan their budget, and prioritize important expenses. This issue particularly common among students and young working adults who are still developing their financial management skills and often have multiple commitments to handle at once. Therefore, there is a need for smarter and organized solutions that help users track their financial commitment, receive timely reminders, and manage their finance more effectively. This problem is what motivates the development of our application. Now we have objective of Paycal. The objective of Paycal are simple but impactful. First, Paycal help users visualize their financial commitments by displaying all upcoming payments in one calendar view. This allows users to clearly see what payments are due and plan ahead. Second, Paycal increase financial awareness by reminding users about upcoming commitments and helping them better understand their financial responsibilities. And finally, Paycal provide a centralized platform where users can manage all their payment commitments in one place, eliminating the need to rely on multiple apps or manual notes. So overall, Paycal helps users stay organized and avoid missed payment and develop better financial management habits. So that's all. Now we have objective of.
To get started, first connect Paycal by selecting an available device from the list. Once the device is detected, simply tap Link Device to establish the connection and begin using Paycal. Next, tap the plus button to add a financial commitment. Choose a category such as housing, utilities, transportation, or subscription. You can also create a custom category to suit all your needs and keep all your commitments organized in one place. Next,
after selecting your preferred category, the next step is to enter the details of your financial commitment. Begin by inserting the payment amount based on the actual cost that you need to pay. Then, select the payment date to indicate when the payment is due. Next, choose the payment frequency that best matches your commitment. If the payment only needs to be made once, select the one-time payment option. For recurring commitments, Paycal allows you to set repeating schedules according to your needs. For commitments that follows a unique schedule, simply select the custom period option and define your preferred interval. Once all of the information has been entered, the commitment will then be automatically added to your Paycal calendar, allowing you to keep track of your upcoming payments and financial obligations more effectively. To make the most of Paycal's reminder system, it is recommended to enable notifications on your mobile device. Notifications help ensure that you stay informed about upcoming payments, approaching due dates, and important updates related to your financial commitments. Simply navigate to the notification settings within the Paycal application and activate the notification feature. Once enabled, Paycal will send real-time alerts directly to your mobile phone, helping you remember upcoming commitments before they become overdue. By keeping these notifications turned on, you can better manage your finances, avoid missed payments, and stay updated wherever you are.
managing bills, subscriptions, and other financial commitments can be challenging. That's why we created Paycal, a smart financial calendar app that helps users organize and keep track of all their upcoming payments in one convenient place. Managing bills, subscriptions, and
Next, I'm gonna explain about benefit of Paycal. First, help users plan their spending in advance. With Paycal, you no longer have to guess what's coming. Every bill, loan, and subscription is laid out clearly on the financial calendar. So, you can see exactly what you own,
and when which before is due. Instead of being caught off guard, you stay one step ahead, whether it's your rent at the start of the month or your phone plan mid-month. Paycal gives you the full picture so you can budget with confidence. The second benefit of Paycal is reduce financial stress and anxiety. Financial stress is one of the most common sources of anxiety in daily life, and most of it comes from uncertainty. Did I pay that? Is there enough in my account? When is that due? Paycal removes the uncertainty. With a single glance, you know your total commitments for the month, how much remains after all payments, and what's coming up next. The last benefit is suitable for students and young working adults. Paycal is designed with everyday users in mind, especially students juggling tuition, subscription, and part-time income, and young working adults navigating their first salary, PT and repayment, and family responsibilities. The interface is simple and intuitive. Whether you're splitting costs with a roommate or helping your parents track household bills, Paycal adapts to your life. In conclusion, Paycal helps users stay calm about their money and take control of their financial commitments. Our mission is simple, which is empower everyone to manage their own finance with ease and confidence for every single day. Because when you know where your money is going, you can focus on where your life is going. That's all from us. Thank you.